Phone card. Listen now, the song buddy. Also have to big up the season 4 winners, Naoma and Hurricane. Okay, kicking this off with a royal start here tonight is a princess who comes each week and shows her versatility. She has given us songs for the ladies. She has given us songs for the conscious-minded and even for the herbalists. Tonight, she is on the warpath. Give it up for Ali Ferari.
Yo, Magno, I want if them know it's a small axe can't fall big tree. Awa, through them taller than me. Yeah, you want me beat them, brought them up so bad me now go teach them. Beat them like a baby then believe them. Lyrics I beat them, from the Monday straight back to the weekend. I coulda wish fool I deceive them. Ha! Set up on funeral service, I keep dead yards and go lights, I take over the street. Black rain a fall, then let out the dogs, them rise up the torch, them ha! Set up on funeral service, I keep dead yards and go lights, I take over the street. Yo, scatter, more you want them for me now. Inna the entrance, kick ranking back to the pumpkin tongue, tougher like a Shaolin monkey. My dancer, crack your skin, I know they don't shackle something, cause me love to enjoy brain do the jumping. I don't have head Bambi, Magnum need to change your name to Cranky, just a flip up like a spring in iron donkey. Suspense now get well through me name, she call that lyrics a chop her up, like the jelly man a Sean Chop. All cuts inna the Sarah the clean, and me send you gone back, but the news say I know the car crash. You shoulda never trouble me, you see me head a rest, I made a rest, I pick you up, you think your skin a leather. Me say she start speed up, like when them lift a jet, but she can't get wet, everybody stick a bet. Kiki, Tommy, K and Frenchy, them gather up and them a grumble. So me strap down 6 pants and go pull up them bungle. Cut up half funeral service, I keep dead God can go lights and take over the street. You say you war then, nobody want them. Send them come and let me can them. Set up half funeral service, I keep dead God can go lights and take over the street. Black rain a falling, let out the dogs, them rise up the torch them. Me study lyrical biology, chemistry and physics.
Sure. Mr. Warren or something come here. So judges, how was that for a top 10 start? Scatter.
Good night, everybody. Ali Ferari, and to all the upcoming contestants, we forget that this is a talent show, and you can get vote off any minute. And anytime you get vote off, the only thing you can do for yourself is know so you do a song where resonate with the crowd. Where if you go up on a stage show in your community or anywhere in the island, them know the song. It is very important for you to try to come with a song with substance, with a chorus, melody, hook, and verse. Where you know say you come with a hit song on the show and people can stop you on the road and say, you see that song the way you say, Ray, I love it. You see that bag of clash something like too early for that. Too early for that. So I'm not even listen when I'm not sure what because it's a talent show and we need to hear music, song, chorus, melody, and verse.
All right, Miss Kitty.
Well, let me just say good night, everybody. What a good ass girl them day. What a top man them day. Good to be back, you know, the fluffy diva, back at it again. But just to really concur with what Scatter said, Ali, for me, you thank the pan E because I'm yet to get a song from you. Remember, you know, it is very important that people can remember you even after they turn off the TV, when they're going to grab their digital phones to vote, and when they might eat them big deal at KFC, them need to think about Ali Ferari. No, you spit a holy line, but not at all, no grab me. It's like the song lackluster. It's like it a run out of gas. It just have no vibes on at all. And I'm sitting here still thinking about, since Ali Ferari has been on the show, what song really stood out. So we just listened to a song a while ago from Wave name again, yeah? Phone card from Specialist. And even today, we remember it. So I need something more from you. So I go oil up the car, visit the mechanic, and get some bullet in your gun. Because you're asking all him.